Feeling alone can be a heavy burden, especially when it seems like no one understands you or shares your perspective. You may find yourself questioning why relationships don't last or why friendships fade away. It feels as though you're constantly on a different path from everyone else. The truth is, this loneliness is not a coincidence. It's not something you've done wrong. Instead, it's a sign of something much deeper, something powerful and profound that you might not have fully realized yet. For the chosen ones, being alone is often a necessary part of the journey. This solitude is not a punishment, but rather a sign that you are on the path to discovering your true purpose. The reason why you feel alone is because you are meant to walk a path that is unique, one that many others are not yet ready to understand. This loneliness is a space where you can grow, reflect, and prepare for the extraordinary things that lie ahead. There's a deep spiritual reason why chosen ones often find themselves without close friends or relationships. As you grow spiritually, your vibration, the energy you emit, begins to rise. This higher vibration can create a natural distance between you and others who may not be on the same frequency. It's not that you are better or worse than others, but your paths are simply different. Spiritual growth often requires a level of solitude because it allows you to focus inward, to connect with your true self without distractions. In this space of solitude, you can hear your inner voice more clearly, understand your true desires, and begin to align your life with your spiritual path. The people who once fit into your life may no longer resonate with you because you are evolving, and they might not be able to accompany you on this new level of consciousness. This solitude is a sacred time, meant for you to deepen your connection with your higher self and the universe. Being alone is not a curse, but a powerful tool for self-discovery. When you are by yourself, free from the influence and expectations of others, you have the opportunity to truly explore who you are. This time alone is when you can ask yourself the important questions: what do I really want in life? What are my true values? Who am I when no one else is around? These are the questions that lead to profound insights and revelations about your true nature. Solitude strips away the noise of the outside world, allowing you to hear the quiet wisdom within. It is in these moments of silence and introspection that you can uncover your deepest passions, your hidden strengths, and the unique gifts you are meant to share with the world. Embracing this time alone is crucial, for it is in this space that you will begin to understand your true purpose and the reason why you were chosen for this path. As your spiritual journey progresses, you might notice that relationships begin to change, often in ways that feel unsettling. This is because as a chosen one, your vibration is rising. Your energy is becoming more refined, more aligned with your true self, and as a result, it no longer matches the energy of the people you used to connect with. High vibrations naturally repel lower vibrations. It's not something you do consciously, it's just a natural law of energy. When you start vibrating at a higher frequency, people who are not on the same path may feel uncomfortable around you. They might start to drift away, or you might find that you no longer enjoy the things you once did together. This is a common experience for those on a spiritual path, and it can be difficult because it often leads to feelings of isolation. But this isn't something to fear or resist. It's a sign that you are evolving, that you are stepping into a new phase of your life. The relationships that remain or the new ones that form will be more in tune with your true self, bringing deeper, more meaningful connections. There is profound wisdom to be found in solitude, wisdom that can only be accessed when you are alone. When you are by yourself, you have the opportunity to dive deep into your inner world, to explore the thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that shape your reality. This time alone is a gift, allowing you to reflect on your life, your choices, and your spiritual path without the influence of others. In solitude, you can listen to the quiet voice of your intuition, which often gets drowned out in the noise of everyday life. This inner voice carries the wisdom of your higher self, guiding you toward your true purpose. The wisdom gained in solitude is the kind that transforms your life from the inside out. It's wisdom that allows you to see the world with new eyes, to understand your place in it, and to make decisions that are aligned with your highest good. Embracing solitude as a time of learning and growth is one of the most powerful things you can do on your spiritual journey. Loneliness can feel overwhelming at times, but it doesn't have to be a negative experience. In fact, it can be a powerful catalyst for spiritual growth if you know how to navigate it. One of the best ways to cope with loneliness is through spiritual practices that help you connect with your higher self and the universe. Practices such as meditation, journaling, and prayer can help you find peace and clarity in the midst of loneliness. These practices allow you to shift your focus from what you lack, such as companionship, to what you have, a deep and abiding connection with the divine. Meditation, in particular, is a powerful tool for overcoming loneliness. It helps you to quiet your mind and tune into the present moment, where you can feel the presence of your higher self and the universe supporting you. Journaling allows you to express your thoughts and feelings, helping you to process your emotions and gain insight into your spiritual journey. Prayer connects you with the divine, reminding you that you are never truly alone. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can transform loneliness into a time of spiritual renewal and growth. As you navigate through periods of solitude, it's crucial to remember the importance of patience and trust in the process. Spiritual growth is not something that happens overnight, it's a gradual unfolding that requires time and faith. You may find yourself questioning why things aren't happening as quickly as you'd like, or why you're still feeling alone despite your efforts. But remember, everything is happening in divine timing. The universe knows exactly what you need and when you need it. Trust that your solitude is preparing you for something greater, something that you may not fully understand yet. Patience is key, as it allows you to stay grounded and centered even when the path ahead seems unclear. Trust in the process, knowing that every moment of solitude is a step closer to the fulfillment of your higher purpose. This faith in the divine timing of your life will help you to remain calm and confident, even in the face of uncertainty. In solitude, the mirror principle becomes particularly relevant. The mirror principle states that the external world reflects your internal state. If you feel lonely, isolated, or disconnected, the world will mirror those feelings back to you. But the beauty of this principle is that it also means you have the power to change your reality by changing your internal state. When you embrace your solitude and see it as a time of growth and self-discovery, the world will reflect that back to you. Instead of feeling lonely, you may start to feel more connected to the universe, more in tune with your higher self, and more at peace with your journey. The key is to focus on the positive aspects of solitude, such as the opportunity to deepen your spiritual practice, to learn more about yourself, and to prepare for the next phase of your journey. By shifting your perspective, you can transform your experience of solitude and begin to see it as a powerful and necessary part of your spiritual evolution. Finally, it's important to embrace solitude as a sacred space, a time set apart for your spiritual growth and transformation. Instead of resisting or fearing your alone time, see it as a gift, a rare opportunity to connect with your true self and the divine. Solitude offers you the chance to step away from the distractions of the outside world and to focus on what truly matters. It's a time to reflect, to meditate, to pray, and to listen to the wisdom of your heart. This sacred space is where you can heal old wounds, release past traumas, and rediscover your inner strength. It's where you can connect with the divine in a way that is deeply personal and profound. By embracing solitude as a sacred space, you can transform it from a source of loneliness into a source of strength, wisdom, and peace. This shift in perspective will allow you to see your solitude not as something to be endured, but as something to be cherished. Being a chosen one often means walking a path that others do not understand. It means experiencing solitude and loneliness in ways that can be challenging, but also deeply transformative. This journey of solitude is not a punishment, but a preparation. It's a time for you to grow, to discover your true self, and to connect with your higher purpose. The relationships that have fallen away are making space for new connections that are more aligned with who you are becoming. The loneliness you feel is a sign that you are on the right path, a path that requires you to be strong, patient, and trusting in the process. By embracing your solitude, practicing patience, and trusting in the divine timing of your life, you can turn this time of loneliness into a powerful period of spiritual growth. Remember, you are never truly alone. The universe is always with you, guiding you, supporting you, and preparing you for the extraordinary journey ahead. Embrace this time, cherish the wisdom it brings, and trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should.